You can find yours, or you can watch me.
Sorry, I forgot your book.
Let's start right here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Good. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Awesome. Do you know what letter this one is?
A.
A. Good job.
For Ada.
Very good for Ada. Let's see. I see another letter. Which one is that one?
D.
D. D for who? For Devin. Good job. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Very good. Devin, I liked how you were following right along. Well done. Let's stand up. And everybody jump, jump, jump. Everybody jump, just like me. Ada, do you want to take a turn and pick something to do? Spin? Okay. Everybody spin around, spin around, spin around. Everybody spin around, just like me. Good. Nick, Devin, can you think of one? Jump? Okay, let's jump again. Should we jump real fast? Okay, let's do that. Everybody jump real fast, jump real fast, jump real fast. Everybody jump real fast, just like me. Awesome. New song today. Ready? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Very good. Let's pretend we're horses and go in there, but I want the mommies to act like old horses and go tread, trot, tread, trot, and the kids get to do young horses, and we go tickety, tickety, tock, tickety, tickety, tock. Can you do that, Ada? Tickety, tickety, tock, tickety, tickety, tock, tickety, tickety, tock, tickety, tickety, tock, tickety, tickety, tock. Oh, such great horses you are. Do you see my posters again? We looked at these last week. Can you get out, those of you that have your books, actually let me grab mine really quick. That way Ada can use it. You're welcome. Can you find the instrument page on there? I think it's maybe one more. And we're going to listen to some instruments, and you tell me by pointing to the right instrument what it is and tell me what it's called. If you can remember, your mom's going to help you. Okay, if you know what it is, point to it. Look on your paper. You see which one it is? That one is the. You know what it is? Not that one. It is the flute. Can you find your book, Molly? Do you want me to bring it?
Right there.
Very good. Here's my flute and my picture way up here.
I got my sticker.
You got a sticker too? That's awesome, Molly. Okay, if you know, we're playing a game where we can figure out what instrument it is. What is this one? Mine right here, it's called the bassoon. Can you find yours that looks like that? Very good. Davin found it. Molly found it. Ada found it. Well done. Okay.
Another one.
It looks like this right here. It's the French horn. Very good, Davin. Molly and Ada. Let's listen for the next one. Yes, do you know what it's called? Davin, what's that one called? Violin. Very good. Here's my violin way over here with the string instruments. Very good. Last one.
I found it.
Davin found it. Ada found it. Did you find yours? Where's the drum? The big drum. Very good. Very good. This is the percussion. It's called a timpani. Awesome. I'm going to bring out Edie. Can everybody say hi to Edie?
Hi, Edie.
Hi. Edie, do you want to play Echo again today? Okay. All right. Can you think of a sound? Cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Good job. Ooh-wee, ooh-wee. Ooh-wee, ooh-wee. Good job. Do-do-do-do. 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 Very good. One more. Okay. Meow. Meow. Very good, Davin. Very good, Eva. All right, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'm so excited to bring out my bells today because I get to share them with you. Yeah, I'm going to play them first, and then you guys are going to have a turn today to play them. Would you like that? All right. Okay, let's start by doing our do, re, mi, okay? Put your hands ready. Okay. Ready? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Very good. Let's do it one more time together, and then I'm going to let Ada have a turn, okay? Ready? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Very good. Very good. Ada, do you want to turn and Mommy can help you? Okay, start right here. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. That was so pretty. You did awesome. All right, David, can you do it nice and slow for us? And actually, will you find your bells in the book and let's point with our bells and do it together, okay? While David's doing it for us. Okay? One at a time. You've got your bells. Very good. Can you play it for us now? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Nice job! And you all pointed to them so good. All right, let's move them over. It's Molly's turn, and you're taking turns. So awesome. Ready? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Very good. Awesome. I think we'll have to do that again. Would you like that? Another day? You played with my bells so well. All right, who colored their peppermint stick? You want to show me what you colored? Devin colored his. What colors did you color it? Red and white. Very good. And Molly colored what other colors? Very good. Can we say them together? Let's do this one right here. Can we start with that? Red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. Very good. Such beautiful coloring. Mine isn't colored. Did you color yours at home? We didn't. Maybe next week, and then you can show us, okay? Awesome. Let's do. Oh, can you tap? Let's tap on our hearts, and let's sing our seashell song, okay? She sells seashells down by the seashore. Very good. Will you find your hearts in your book? Oh. Take it away. I've got my big one over here. Who remembers which heart we touched twice? Do you remember? Devin, you're right. Very good. Okay, let's do it together. In a second. By the red got it? I think it.
So there it is, right?
Yeah, they got it. Next to the red page. Okay. She sells seashells down by the seashore. Very good. Can we sing it just do this time instead of the words? Do, 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 do. Very good. Very good. Let's go read a book. Let's go read a book. Come and read a book with me. Let's go read a book. I'm so excited to read this book with you today. This is one of my favorite books by my favorite author. Who knows who wrote this book? Anybody guess? This is a Dr. Seuss book. He's one of my favorites. And I read it many, many times, but I learned a new way to read this book that I think you're going to love. Dr. Seuss's ABC. Big A, little a, what begins with A? Aunt Annie's alligator, A. Big B, little B, what begins with B? Barber, baby, bubbles, and a bumblebee. Big C, little c, what begins with C? Camel on the ceiling, C. Is that camel upside down? Yeah. Big D, little d, David, Donald, do. Dreamed a dozen donuts and a duck dog too. A, B, C, D, E. Ear, egg, elephant, E. Very good. Yeah. Big F, little F. 4 fluffy feathers on a feff. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Goat, girl, goo goo goggles, G. You got this figured out, don't you? Big H, little H, hungry horse, hay. Hen on a hat, hooray! Look, they're so happy. Big I, little I. Ichabod is itchy, so am I. Big J, little J, what begins with J? Jerry Jordan's jelly jar and jam begin that way. Sometimes our tongue gets all tied, singing it. Big K, little K, kitten, kangaroo. Kick a kettle, kite, and a king's ka-choo! Yeah. Big L, little lollipop. Left leg, lazy lion, licks a lollipop. Big M, little m, many mumbling mice are making midnight music in the moonlight, mighty nice. Big N, little n, what begins with those? 9 new neckties and a nightshirt and a nose. O is very useful, you use it when you say, Oscar's only ostrich oiled an orange owl today. Can you sing it with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Painting pink pajamas, policeman in a pail, Peter Pepper's puppy, and now Papa's in the pail. That's silly. Big Q, little Q, what begins with Q? The quick queen of Quincy and her quacking quackaroo. Big R, little R, Rosie Robin Ross. Rosie's going riding on her red rhinoceros. Big S, little S, silly Sammy Slick. Sipped 6 sodas and got sick, sick, sick. I would get sick too. T, 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 what begins with T? 10 tired turtles on a tuttle, tuttle tree. Big U, little U, what begins with U? Uncle Ub's umbrella and his underwear too. Big V, little V, Vera Violet Finn is very, very, very awful on her violin. Uh-oh. WWW, Willie Waterloo washes Warren Wiggins, who is washing Waldo Woo. X is very useful if your name is Nixie Knox. It also comes in handy spelling axe and extra fox. Big Y, little while, a yawning yellow yak. Young Yolanda Orgeson is yelling on his back. Ready? You're gonna sing this with me, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Big Z, little Z, what begins with Z? Well, I do. I'm a zizzer zazzer zuzz, as you can plainly see. Love that book. All right, let's stand up and do our jump dance. You remember our jump dance? It's our favorite, huh? Ready? Jump! 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 Oh, we're like being horses, aren't we? Yep. Horses. See? Oh, we're getting faster. Ready? And jump! Yay! Can everyone grab a ribbon for me while I find the next song? Rebecca, will you help pass it out, please? I'm going to get a ribbon, handsome boy. Good job. Everybody have one?
Blue, dark blue, brown.
Pick some colors and slots. I'm going to get a blue one. See how many shapes you can make. Beautiful. Thank you. Thanks, Rebecca. Thank you. All right. Do you remember our game from last week? We played, what time is it, Mr. Wolf? Do you remember that game? All right, Ada, do you want to come be the first one to be it? I'm going to teach her how to do it. Okay, if you guys want to stand over there, we're going to do a long ways this time because last time we kind of ran out of room when we did it this way. Come here, Ada. I'm going to have her come be my partner this time. Okay? Remember? And you guys start out and you say, what time is it, Mr. Wolf? And then we get to pick a time. Ready? And you say 3 o'clock. Like a wolf. You say 3 o'clock. Good job. And then you take 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. And then you ask, what time is it, Mr. Wolf? Good job. 1, 2, 3. The long hand tells us the short hand tells us what hour it is. The long hand tells us the minute. What time is it, Mr. Wolf? Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What time is it, Mr. Wolf? Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's important to know what hour it is, or else the wolf will guess. And you go get somebody. Go get it. Good job. All right, Devin, will you be the next one? Okay. All right, Mommy, do you want to come help in this time? Sure. Now come stand over here. Okay. Ready? Let's back up just a little bit more. Over here, maybe behind the line right here. Okay. What time is it, Mr. Wolf?
5.
5. Say really low like a wolf.
5 o'clock.
Good job.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What time is it, Mr. Wolf?
4 o'clock.
Good job.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The short hand tells us what hour it is. The long hand tells us the minute. What time is it, Mr. Wolf? What hour is that?
7 o'clock.
Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What time is it, Mr. Wolf? Oh, we're going to get a lot of steps. We're going to be on top of you. Ready?
10 o'clock.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's important to know what time it is, or else the wolf will get us. Good job. Tickle, you want to pick somebody else to do it? Do you want to do it, Molly? Okay, Molly. Come on, you're going to go be it. All right, I think we can stand just a little bit further. Or take smaller steps. Are you ready? What time is it, Mr. Wolf?
7 o'clock.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What time is it, Mr. Wolf?
8 o'clock.
Very good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The short hand tells us what hour it is. The long hand tells us the minute. What time is it, Mr. Wolf?
2 o'clock.
Good. 1, 2. What time is it, Mr. Wolf?
10 o'clock.
Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's important to know what time it is, or else the wolf will get us. Who are you gonna go get? Go get somebody. Who are you gonna get? You're just gonna run? We got you. We're gonna whoop on you. Good job. Thank you very much. Okay, come sit down in a circle. Come on. Over here. Couple more minutes. Let's do instruments. Just pass out. Pick an instrument. And mommies can have one too if you want. Just one this time. Okay, that is, yes, that's right. Here's one. There is this one, and you prick it. So it's down to have it right. Okay. You all get one? All right. This is what we're going to do to learn our verses. I want you to listen to our song. We're going to sing, I gotta find that. We're going to sing, she'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. And in every verse, I want you to switch. We're going to pass our instruments to the left. Okay? So you get to play your instrument, and then you're going to pass it when it's time for a new verse. There we are. This will help us to know what to do. Okay. Sing this real fast. Sometimes. There we are. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain. She'll be coming around the mountain. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. All right, pass your instrument. When she comes, whoa, she'll be coming. My voice is when she comes. Whoa, she'll be driving. She'll be driving. When she comes, whoa, back, choo, choo. We'll all go out to see her when she comes. Hi, Dave. Oh, we'll all go out to see her. Oh, we'll all go out to see her. We'll all go out to see her when she comes. Hi, Dave. Whoa, back, choo, choo. Hi, babe. Welcome back. Choo, choo. Come on. Grandma when she comes. Over there. We will have to swing with Grandma when she comes. She will have to swing with Grandma. She will have to swing with Grandma. She will have to swing with Grandma when she comes. Hi, babe. Whoa, back. Choo, choo. That one's ready. When she comes.